Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, Robinhood versus Webull. We're going to go over both of these brokerage accounts, run you through the applications, and of course, show you the bonus offers to get free stocks just for signing up. Now before getting into this review, I do have to say I am not a financial advisor. I am not a professional on this topic. So do your own research before signing up for either one of these brokerage platforms or anything else I review on my channel. So let's get into Robinhood. So let's log into the app. So before wasting any time, let's show you how to get that free stock. Now all you have to do to get a free stock is open your account and fund it with any amount. And here's a little description of what you can expect. You have a 100% chance of getting a free stock. Sounds like a win to me. And that could be valued all the way up to $500. Now after you open an account, you can invite friends and get the same deal for you. Now remember, when you open an account, whether it's my referral code, which will be linked below, or anyone else's, you do need a referral code in order to get a free stock. Okay, so let's navigate around this platform. Right at the top, you will see your total, and that is the money you have invested in the market, as well as your buying power. Your buying power is the money that you can readily put in the market right now. And it's very easy to deposit. All you have to do is hit deposit and put in however much you want. Review and submit if you choose to submit. And right at the top you have your 1 day chart, your week, your month, 3 month, and so on how your portfolio is doing. Right under here is your stocks. These are the stocks that you actually have purchased and are in your portfolio. So let's go over and show you how to purchase shares. Now I clicked on SLV. This is iShares Silver Trust. Now if I wanted to purchase any more of these, I can click trade, buy, and click in the top right corner where it says shares, and I could buy in dollars, saying I just want to buy as much as I can with $100. So I would hit buy in dollars. Or I can hit trade, buy, and let's go back into shares and say I wanted to buy 4 shares. So you will get 4 total shares rather than fractions of a share. So this is nice too. If you wanted to make sure you are not paying more than you want for any given stock, hit limit order. Under limit price, say I do not want to spend more than $22 per share. That way, your order will only go through if that stock price drops to that point or below. And now I have it clicked as you can trade after hours in Robinhood up to 6 p.m. as well as trade 30 minutes before the market opens from 9. Now, stock market in Eastern Standard Time is open from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. So at my limit order of $22, say I wanted to buy 4 shares, that's going to cost me $88. This is a fee-free brokerage account, so you will not be charged a fee for buying stocks. I can review that order, and once I'm content with where my order is, I can swipe up. Order received. If somehow silver price drops before 6 p.m. to $22 a share, that order will be filled. I do not expect that to happen, by the way. So there's how you buy a stock. I also have all my watch lists. As you can see, I watch a lot of stocks. Now, Robinhood also does have cryptocurrency trading. You can buy or sell cryptocurrency on Robinhood. Now, with cryptocurrency on Robinhood, you can buy or sell this, but you cannot take this off of the Robinhood platform, which is a problem for most people, because most people like to have control over their cryptocurrency who purchase it. I do not use Robinhood as a cryptocurrency platform. So let's show you how to make a watch list and add a stock to a watch list. If you searched any stock, we're just going to start typing in letters and seeing what pops up. So we're going to click on Clorox. I have not added this to anything yet. I have never researched this company or anything. In the top right corner where that little plus button is, click that. I just added that stock to my watch list. Now say I wanted to create a watch list and put it under cleaning. Create. Now I've just created a cleaning watch list. So add CLX to list. I'm going to add that to cleaning. We head back out of here, go back to our main page, and right here at the bottom, the watch list that we just created, cleaning, has CLX in it. Now let's research this a little bit. Now this is about all you have for analytics on any given company on Robinhood. It shows you news if there is any related news. It shows you analyst reviews, which I would take with a grain of salt. It'll show you earnings calls, related lists, as well as if someone bought the stock, what else they bought, and a little description of the company. That's all you're going to get on Robinhood. They also do have a cash management account, which is getting you 0.3% APY in interest on your money right now, which is nothing if you look at my previous video on outlet finance, earning you 8.34%. So go ahead and check that out. Messages just gives you updates on stocks that you've had in your portfolio. If you wanted to trade on margin, meaning spending more money than you actually have, you can look into that. I do not do this, so I have no input on this topic. Well, there's the Robinhood platform, pretty simple. So if you wanted to try a platform out for beginners, this would probably be the platform for you. So after reviewing Robinhood and seeing the simplicity of this brokerage account, we're going to move over to Webull. Now Webull is a little bit more technical, it's a little bit harder to work around, but it has much more information and a lot more to offer than Robinhood. Now let's go over Webull. Here's the homepage when you jump into this application. Now if you hit the menu button on the right, we're going to waste no time and show you the invitation bonus. Now Webull offers a lot better bonus than Robinhood, as you get 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 and $1,400 just for signing up and depositing $100 within 30 days of your fund settling. Now I also will receive 2 free stocks if you use my link. Remember, you do have to use my link or someone else's Webull link in order to get 2 free stocks when signing up. And go ahead and go through the terms and conditions below to have a good idea of everything included in this. Alright, let's go over the platform. Click that button in the middle. Now here is your homepage of what you have invested, your buying power, and settled cash. I don't use Webull too much. I have very few trades on here. Now the same thing, you can go through your 5-day, your 1 month, your 3 month, 6 month, so on and so forth. And below it shows you your positions. So say I wanted to buy more of First Majestic Silver. Right at the bottom, I can click buy, sell, or close. But let's go and buy. Same thing. Now the only difference with Webull is they do not offer fractional shares. So you do have to purchase an entire share or more of whatever company you want to purchase. Limit price, market order, stops, or OTO. And it explains kind of what each of these are right at the top. So let's set a limit order of $11 and we're going to put in 10 of these, and we're just going to click quantity 1 and we're going to do a day. Extended hours, sure, why not? I don't think it's dropping down that low, and click buy. There is a large difference between your input price and the last quoted price. Are you sure you want to continue? Continue. Order confirmation gives you your details, and confirm. My order's placed for after hours trading, just like on Robinhood, till 6 p.m. Of course, again, I do not think this order will actually go through. And down here now you can look, there's my open orders and my positions again. Now we're going to go to quick trade. Now they have options like quick trade, your performance, deposit if you wanted to link an account and deposit any amount. You could transfer funds. And under the more, here's all your trading options, and here's all your account options. Account details, performance, your statements, your tax documents, your trade confirmations, exercise history, and here's where it shows you your stock lending income program. I will go more in depth in another video, as this is probably one of the things I like over any other free brokerage platform that Webull has and no one else does. And your account profile. Again, under that you have your banking, where you can deposit, withdraw, and your funds. It'll actually show you your transfer history, your dividend payments, and so on. Now there's tools like paper trading, where if you're a new investor or just someone who wants to see how they would do in the market, you have $1 million in fake money to buy, sell, and trade and see how you do in the market. Now remember, this is fake money, so once you put real funds in, your mindset may change a little. And sometimes they run contests. So Webull paper trading competition. I have never done one of these, but it looks like participation rules. There is 1 round of paper trading each week. During this event, your paper trading will start off with 10,000 virtual cash balance. At the beginning of each round, virtual cash, not real money, U.S. account holders with a funded Webull brokerage account are eligible. Let's look through the prizes, as I've never taken advantage of this. The maximum prize for each round is $100 per person. Now you can go ahead and go through here, as I'm not going to read over all the rules, but it looks like you can trade with fake money and possibly come out on top with real money. Well, here's your leaderboard. Right at the bottom is where you can open an IRA if you choose to do so. Now in the community tab, it's just kind of like a social media and gives you updates, certain investments and trends in the market. And you can go through here to look at all the different markets, the Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ. Go through your top gainers, pre-market, aftermarket, 5-minute, 1-day, 5-day. Then scrolling a little bit lower, you see your hot ETFs, best performing industries. Now it shows you your global markets as well. Cryptos, as you can invest, but at least it shows you the performance lately, which cryptos have been on fire. And then same with your watch list. You can add any symbol. Let's add SLV. It already exists in my precious metals watch list. And let's add that to precious metals. Now I also added SLVTF to my precious metals. It's as simple as that as far as adding to watch lists. Now also, if you went over to the menu, there's your help center if you wanted to contact them, messages, settings, your free stock, your alerts, so you can set alerts if you choose to do so. So when certain stocks fall below or go above your price targets, it'll notify you so you can jump in at that time. And that's where you can customize alerts and automatic alerts. And Learning Center. This is offered by Webull, which is pretty nice and kind of shows you how to navigate through the site and different trading advice as well as investment advice. So that's the Webull platform. As you can see, I did say it is a little bit more difficult than Robinhood. So after showing you through both applications, I'm going to go over my pros and cons of both these platforms. Now with Robinhood, I would say if you're looking for an application that is very user-friendly, very beginner-friendly, Robinhood's the way you want to go. It also does offer fractional shares. So if you wanted to purchase a part of a bigger company like Amazon and you don't have thousands of dollars to buy one share, you can buy $100 worth of Amazon. It does also offer cryptocurrency trading. Now this is a pro and a con, and I'll tell you why. You can buy cryptocurrency on Robinhood. The downside is you cannot take cryptocurrency off Robinhood. You can only buy and sell. So if you wanted to take your private keys off of Robinhood and put them on any other wallet, you cannot do that. And in cryptocurrency, the saying is, not your keys, not your crypto. More about that in another video. It also does offer very low margin fees. I do not trade on margin, I never have, so I'm not comfortable covering this topic. Now let's go over the cons. What do I not like about Robinhood? Their customer service can use a little bit of work. They are a bigger brokerage than Webull, and sometimes getting a hold of an actual person to answer your question outside of the automatic bot responses can be a challenge. They also do not offer any sort of retirement account, so hopefully they can offer that in the future. And as far as research, news, or analytics go, yeah, they fall pretty short on that too. So here goes my pros and cons of Webull. Now Webull is a little bit smaller than Robinhood, so their customer support tends to be a little bit better. And it is easier to actually get a hold of a real person. If you want to go the route of retirement accounts, you can open an IRA through Webull. Now as far as analytics goes, there's a lot more you can do on Webull to research your companies, and also a great source for news. Now they also have short selling on Webull, which kind of ties into my next pro. They also offer share lending. Now this is something I'm going to go over in a future video. Now this is something I haven't seen really anywhere else. And probably the best thing about Webull, if you're a newer investor and just want to get a feel for the market, they have paper trading. So just remember, when deciding to open a brokerage account, that first of all, take a look at the bonuses and make sure you're getting yourself something free, since there are so many brokerage accounts that do just about the same thing, and they all offer some type of free shares just for signing up. And if this video was helpful, and you like the content you see, then smash that like button, and also hit the bell notification below and that notification bell so that you're updated every time I make a video in the future. So open up that brokerage account, get yourself a free stock, and give yourself a raise. I'll see you next time.